guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing. This is the last paycheck of the month, and also it's going to be a double up stuffing. So let's get right into this video. Alright, on to my bills. Electricity is getting $100. So you guys already know I usually stuff $50 a week, but like I said in the beginning that this is a double up stuffing, so that's why it's getting $100. Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $90. So 50, 70, 90. Okay, on to my cash envelopes. Alright, so starting off with groceries. Groceries is getting $140. 120, 40. So I also want to update you guys. If you guys haven't received a tracking number for your order on any of my websites on Friday, if you guys haven't received that on Friday, then you will receive a tracking number tonight. Alright, next is gas, and gas is getting $50. Spending is getting $50. Beauty is getting $5. So you guys, I do have press-ons at the moment. I did these nails yesterday. I had the poly gel set on for like a couple months, and I took them all off Friday. So now I'm just gonna let my nails breathe and just have press-ons, and then once I'm finished filming this video, I'm just gonna pop them off and let my nails breathe. And last is giving, and giving is getting $5, and I finally got some singles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, on to my sinking funds. Alright, so starting off with my daughter Lanisha. Lanisha is getting $50. 50. Oh, that's a raggedy 50. Let me put that to the back. Okay, so Lanisha has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 250, 350, 70. Okay, so Lanisha has $7,370. Okay, next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $50. Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 500, 650, 750. So Jaden has $7,750. Lanisha's birthday is next month, so she's excited. Next is family time, and family time is getting $50. One, two, 350. So we have 350 in family time. And last is drip. Drip is getting 30. 20, 30, 20, 40, 50, 60. Alright guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off with my cash emergency fund, that is getting $5. $1,000, $5, $10, $15, $20, $25. So we have $1,025 in my cash emergency fund. Next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $215. So 1, 200, 10, 15. $10,500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So we got 11,000 right here. 1, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 385, 390. So we have $11,390 in my home emergency fund. Car emergency fund is getting $10. $1,500, 600, 50, 60, 75. $1,675. Health is getting $10. $500, 600, 50, 60, 70, 80. 680 in health. Okay, on to my scratch off challenge. So I'm gonna go for this one. So 50 from the gold challenge. And so we're gonna go for this one. 165 from the diamond. So let me put that in. 50 from gold and 165 from diamond. So that is a total of $215 that we have to stuff in our home emergency fund next week. Alright, on to my pink binder. So Christmas is getting $20. We have 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 55. So $355. Next is back to school, and back to school is getting $10. $20, 40, 55. 55. So Lanisha is on summer break at the moment. and she will start first grade in August, late August, of course. So I definitely need to start saving up more money for her back to school fund, her back to school envelope. Next is Invest, and Invest is getting $20. So we have 40 in Invest. Okay, last is Gifts, and Gifts is getting $40. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So we have 95 in Gifts. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.